All right, guys, this is J.O.A.T.D back with another video. Here in front of you is a Wittern USI snack machine. Now, I had somebody ask me, how do you get the USI machine out of free Vend mode? All right, so today I'm going to show you how to toggle between on and off and free Vend mode. All right, so just to show you right now, it is not in free Vend mode. We're going to purchase something. All right, we're going to do B1. So we're going to do B1. All right. So right now it's not in free Vend mode. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hit this service mode button right here. It's a little red button in here. You're going to press that. After pressing that, you see free Vend. You're going to hit E and F. Let's go to the front. Right now it's in service mode. We're going to hit E down at the bottom. It says open and we're going to hit F. Okay. So right now that's off. To turn it on, you hit F again. All right. So now it has like a Y at the end right here. Okay. You're going to give it 25 seconds. All right. Now it says free. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do B1. All right. So B1. See that? We're going to do B5. B5. All right. So now it's in free mode. Now we're going to turn it off. All right, we're going to take it out of free mode. All right, so now we're going to go and press service button again here. Remember, EF, free Vend. All right, it's in service mode. We're going to hit E. It says open, and then we're going to hit F. That right there is on. Hit F again. That right there is off. All right, now you're going to wait the 25 seconds again. All right, now it's ready to take money. So if we press, let's see, B1, it tells you it's $1. Let's purchase something. And we're going to hit B1. And that's it, guys. That's how you toggle between off and on for free Vend in your USI machine. All right, guys, this is JOATD and I'm out. All right, guys, if you like this video and would like to see other videos like this, join our community, follow us, and subscribe. JOATD, Jack of all trades Dre, fixing a handful of life's numerous problems, one video at a time.